Oh, excuse me. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, how you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Sorry to bother you. I'm fine. I just want to go to 441 in Oakland Park. Can you please tell me how to get there?
Oh, sure. Just go straight down, under the stoplight, turn left, and then make another right, and it should take you there.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right. Yo. Hey, let me call you back. I'll call you back. I'm sorry again.
Okay.
May I have your name, please?
Why do you want my name for?
Because you look just like my mommy.
I'm Jojo.
Oh, I'm Bobby.
Nice meeting you, Bobby.
Nice to meet you. I like you a lot, Jojo.
You like me?
Yeah.
You don't even know me. How can you like me?
Oh, can I have your number?
So you want my number?
Oh, yeah.
Are you working?
Oh, no. I'm not working. I have no job.
Oh, so you're not working. Okay.
Can I have it?
Sure.
All right, thank you.
954 861
Mhm.
7862.
Thank you. So, when can I call?
Oh, anytime.
All right, so I'm going to do it now, and you
Sure.
can save mine. All right. Jojo. The number you just gave me is not working.
Well, of course it's not working. You're not working neither.